Do you have them hiccups? Are those from Daddy? And they make you mad, don't they? They make me mad too. I'm sorry. I don't know what to help you with. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. I want to hear your hiccups. Can you make it again? No. Can you hiccup again? Oh, I'd be upset about it too. Are those from Daddy? Yeah. Okay, hold on. Yep. I'd be frustrated. I'm frustrated. I'm frustrated. I'm frustrated for you. Oh. It's just the saddest, funniest thing ever, and I feel really bad for laughing about the hiccups and cries. Can you do it again? Hiccup and cry? Oh, I wouldn't like this either. It's just no fun. Daddy gave you those hiccups. You hiccuped all the time in Mommy's belly. Don't cry, it's just hiccups. Just hiccups. Oh, come on, it's just hiccups. It's no big deal. Everybody gets hiccups. All right.